This is part 2 of the baby genetics lab, where it says, then you and your partner will flip coins to see which chromosome you pass on to your offspring. So this is a very way simplified model of sexual reproduction, but basically, for each of these pairs, the mother is going to pass one on to the offspring. For each of these pairs, the father is going to pass one on to the offspring. And so we are going to flip pennies. It's kind of like a 50-50 chance of which one of each chromosome gets passed on, the one from their mother or their father. And so it says, heads, you pass on the chromosome on the left. So heads, it's the left chromosome, and tails, it's the right chromosome. It says, keep track of your genes by coloring the baby's karyotype according to which chromosome is passed from each parent. For example, if mother passes on her yellow chromosome 1 to the baby, color one of baby's chromosome 1 yellow, and if it passes the pink one onto the baby, color that one pink. Also, write the allele next to the chromosome inherited, as they are found on the parent's karyotype. For the sex chromosomes, draw them in and label them X or Y or X or Y. Complete the baby's karyotype and then fill in the genotype phenotype sheet. Once that is done, you and your partner can use the data to draw and color a portrait of your baby. Write the blood type somewhere on the portrait. You also should name your baby. Congratulations. So let me demonstrate some of this for you. So we're not even going to look at these papers yet. All we're looking at is this and the baby's genotype phenotype. Actually, no, not that yet. Let's look at the baby's karyotype. So right now this is a blank karyotype. And we're going to go through, again, heads, we're going to do the one on the left, tails, the one on the right. So I'm going to just show you a couple of these just to give you guys an idea, and then you'll be able to do the rest. So the mother is giving, tails is the one on the right, and so that is the green chromosome. And so the one from the mother, we're going to keep on the left, and it's a lowercase a. That's the one that's getting passed on to the offspring from the mother. The father is going to pass on, it was tails, pass on the one on the right from his. So his right chromosome is this blue one. And so I'm going to color that blue. And the gene on that one is a lowercase a. And so it's easier when you have two people doing this. If you're doing it by yourself, maybe just go through and do all of the mother's chromosomes first. So let's keep those on the left side, and then let's keep these on the one from the father. Just kind of easier to keep track of. And so I'll do a couple more examples here. So, oh, that was tails. So the mother gives the right chromosome, which is this lowercase b. And this is mine. Your guys' that's the thing, is hopefully all of these are going to look very different as we're all flipping coins. And I can't flip anything but tails. So father is giving his right chromosome, which is a capital B. And so you're going to go through and label and color the baby's karyotype and label all of the genes for the baby. And then when you get done with that, you are going to fill out the baby's genotype and phenotype chart. And so, again, this one has a little bit more. I want you to specify, so which gene came from the father? Which gene came from the mother? So for this first one that I did, the father's genotype was A, and the one came from the mother was a lowercase a, so the baby's genotype would be that. Okay? And so you just go through and you fill out the genotypes, then later you can look up the phenotypes. You will figure out what your baby's blood type is. You'll figure out if your baby will be male or female. When you get done with all of that, then you can use the description of your traits to draw a portrait of what the child would look like. And then somewhere on it, write the baby's blood type.